Alright guys, so we got all the plastics back on over the paint. It looks very nice, and right before we put the plastics on, we actually mocked up this, if you remember, there used to be a foot brake there for the back, but now we got this brake lever on there. That's actually from an old Kawasaki KE from some hillbilly that's off of a Kawasaki KE that came off some hillbilly up the road, and we actually ran it down around the handlebars and then down under the tank there, down around here, and down here to this. This is actually part of the old brake lever that came up here, and we put a bolt through here, and then we've got the wire coming down here, and we've got it screwed into this little clamp thingy here, and it works, like, actually really good. So yeah, so right now we're getting ready to put the engine on, and that is right here. This muffler is just temporary, as I've said in past videos. We're gonna reroute all this eventually, but yeah, so we'll update you when we're putting it on. Alright guys, we've got the engine on the frame. It's fitting all good and everything. It's all bolted on, and now we just have to connect the kill switch, which is right there, and then the airbox, which goes right here, and the fuel line, which is here. So yeah. Alright guys, we've got the gas line hooked up and the kill switch here, and we're putting gas in now, and the throttle cable, but we don't have the airbox on yet, so we're gonna do that now. Yep. Alright guys, so now we've got it running, and it runs good. It's got a lot of power actually, so now I guess we'll do it first ride.
One click. Be careful, don't go fast! Ethan on his maiden voyage. Brakes are weak in the back, and the throttle, the carburetor needs cleaned. So we'll get a new carburetor for it probably, because you can't take them apart. They're sealed. This thing flies though. It probably goes about 40, 42 miles an hour with a bad carburetor.
Are you filming him?
Comes Ethan somewhere. There he goes. Mr. Joe Cool. It is one fast machine. It just cruises so nice. You could probably drive that to Alliance and no problem. Sounds like a mini bike. Looks like a dirt bike. The look of a dirt bike and the sound of a mini bike.